Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm thecubinggeek and today I'll be doing something unexpected. I'll be teaching you guys a Python programming lesson. First of all, I'm trying to teach you all programming because I see a lot of young students are watching me, so I really want this to be spread and make many more young students to be interested in computer programming. So without further ado, let's get into the first unit. First of all, the main types of things and numbers that are normally there are these. So there you can put something like integers, and then there's something else called Boolean values. There's also a floating point numbers. Actually, no, you can write it as this. You can also write it as this. You can also write it as this. You also have str, which means string. Normally, these are the type of numbers, but normally we're going to be going over these basic stuff. So first of all, if you put like a hashtag sign like this, then it's like a comment. And comments, if that does not count in your final program. And these are normally the type of things. Integers are normally normal numbers, stuff like 3. The number 3 can be an integer. Another example can be 4, or any technical number that is not a decimal. Speaking of decimals, the ones that are decimals are actually named floating point numbers. Means 2.5 can be a floating point number. It can be a 3.4, any decimal number. At the same time, we also have strings, which can be stuff like you can put double quotations and then you can put your name. I put my name there. And another thing is like the Boolean values, which is normally stuff like true or false. That's what I'm just gonna say. True or false. These are normally the first few things that you need to keep in mind. And remember, Python is a case-sensitive language, so it means if you put like a capitalized D somewhere, then if you put a lowercase d somewhere, it's gonna show an error. That's the main thing. So yeah. Next is just a for loop. So you do something like this. But at the same time this will show an error, so you have to put something like this. And then you run the program, and as you can see, it shows apple, banana, and cherry. That is like a basic for loop. That's one thing. You can also go with any title, like this is what's important, like this thing. You have to, you can put like names, so if I put like some of my friends, let's say we put my YouTube channel and some of my friends' YouTube channels, so let's quickly put it in. And remember, Python is a case-sensitive language, so if you, let's say we put two YouTube channels. Let's say we put my friend Jesus follow, and if we put my channel, then it's not gonna work. Why? As you can see, this is using error because names is not the because this is also, there is no S at the end. Let's fix that. There it is. Now, as you can see, there is me, thecubinggeek, and now super short Python video. There will be more videos in the future. Remember to like and subscribe to the Cubing Geek. Follow for more videos. Help us get to 40,000 subs by the end of 2025. And follow for more.